So we're here at Carrio. My dad, we're getting him Ferrari, all right, 488 to 2017. We're trading in his Portofino. As you guys can see, we're back at Carrio. Did an original YouTube video on this. We got supercar heaven over here. You got Nardo gray Porsche 911 Turbo S's. You got yellow Ferraris, purple Ferraris, white Ferraris. You name it, the ZL1, ZR1 Corvette. Pretty sick. They got an original Countach over there. McLarens in every color. And my dad, it's a happy day. Happy day for my dad. Finally happy. So we're picking up the 2017 488 Ferrari 488 GTB. It's got 711 horsepower, guys. I mean, it's outrageous. Wait till you hear this. It's got a K-line exhaust on it. The thing is spec'd out to the max. White with the red interior. Like I said, max spec. You can't get much more spec than that. It's basically spectacular, all right? Picking up, my dad's in there signing all the paperwork. I still owe him for the crash McLaren, so I put down a couple of dollars on the down payment to kind of offset it. We'll see if I get it back. If I don't, whatever, you know, calling it even because I crashed a McLaren. Cutscene to McLaren crash. The thing's sick. 7-speed transmission, 3.9 liter V8 twin turbo. It's a tank. 711 horsepower, guys. Come on. That you Hellcats coming out here with 707 horsepower. It's sick. It's cool, but are you putting it down like a Ferrari? You know what I'm saying? And I'm just casually doing this video in front of a $6 million Bugatti. And casually right next to it is another Bugatti. All right, so outrageous build right here. This is a Mansory G-Wagon. I mean, enough said. Look at this Tiffany blue, carbon fiber everywhere. Let me show you guys the interior on this thing. You got Tiffany blue diamond wrap. Dude. Full Tiffany blue interior. Shit. So this is the 488. Got the white on white, got white wheels on it, red interior. My dad's gonna go on a test drive real quick. You guys gotta hear what this thing sounds like already. Give me a couple revs real quick, Abba. It's a K-line exhaust, bro. Jeez. This place, supercar heaven. Love this spot. Thank you, Carrio, for letting us film. Appreciate the deal you guys hooked us up with. If you guys need a supercar, let us know.